Hello my dear friends, hope all of you doing well and you are safe at your home. So what if I tell you that there is one scientific breathing process? If you learn and practice this scientific breathing process, you can achieve good health, you can achieve immunity power, which is really important nowadays. You can achieve good memory power, concentration power, as well as full energy. If you want to grab the package of all these benefits, please watch this video till the end. Now let's talk about basics of breathing. Breathing consists of three parts: inhalation of breathing, hold the breath, and exhalation. In the yogic terms, there are different names for this inhalation, hold, and exhalation. For inhalation in yoga system, it is called as purak. When you hold the breath, it is called as kumbhak, and when you exhale the breath, it is called as rechak. Now there are three types of breathing. First is normal breathing, which I am doing right now and you are doing right now while watching this video. Second is fast breathing. In the fast breathing, we are very rapidly inhaling and exhaling. This type of breathing will cover in the next video. And the third type of breathing which we are going to learn today is deep breathing process. Now many of you might be practicing this deep breathing process, but trust me, in today's video we're gonna learn this process in some different manner, rather I say in some scientific manner. In Sanskrit, deep breathing is called as samakala samagati dirgha shvasana, which means that when you inhale and exhale with equal speed and with specific time period, it is called as deep breathing. So there are two types of deep breathing process. The first deep breathing process is 1:1 proportion, and the second deep breathing process is 1:2 proportion. In 1:1 proportion, we are maintaining the inhalation and exhalation time same. For example, if you are inhaling for 4 seconds, you are exhaling for 4 seconds. And in 1:2 proportion, suppose if you are inhaling for 4 seconds, now you have to exhale it for 8 seconds. Before going to the practical of this deep breathing process, let's talk about benefits of this deep breathing process. The number one benefit of this deep breathing process is it helps you to release your pain. Because what happens when you start this deep breathing process practice, it automatically triggers the hormone named as endorphin. So not only this hormone help you to feel you good, as well as it help you to reduce your pain. The second number of benefit of this deep breathing process is it helps you to calm your mind, it helps you to improve your concentration level. In one of the earlier video, I talk about the relation between your mind as well as breathing. So if you haven't watched that video, please watch that video. I will give you that link of that video in the description box. The third benefit of this deep breathing process is it helps you to improve your energy. Because what happens when you practicing this deep breathing process, automatically the oxygen level in your system is increases. And as the oxygen level in your system increases, automatically you will feel good. You will feel more energetic, more enthusiastic. The fourth benefit of this deep breathing process is it helps to improve your immunity level. Nowadays, immunity is very essential, as we know that we are suffering from this COVID-19, and immunity plays an important role if you want to win over this COVID-19. So how it can improve your immunity level? When you practice this deep breathing process, the blood in your system is more oxygenated, and more oxygenated blood carries all vitamins as well as nutrients very efficiently, very effectively. And more clearer the blood, it's really hard to put the diseases, illness in your system. So automatically your immunity level is also increases. So these are some benefits. I only covered very few benefits of this deep breathing process. Now let's talk about how you can practice this process. As I already told you, there are two types of deep breathing, 1:1 deep breathing process and 1:2 deep breathing process. First, I will give you demonstration of 1:1 deep breathing process. So in 1:1 deep breathing process, you have to inhale for 4 seconds and you have to exhale it for 4 seconds. And if you are able to inhale for 6 seconds or 8 seconds, you can inhale it for 6 or 8 seconds and exhale it for 6 or 8 seconds. But for beginner, I will suggest you to maintain the 4 seconds cycles ratio. So first you can do the same thing, like you have to just sit on the ground, or you can prefer a chair. Your back should be straight. Now I will demonstrate you. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, so the count, you can count it in your mind, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and for exhaling 1, 2, 3, 4, or you can use a stopwatch. Now let's talk about 1:2 proportion. In 1:2 proportion, inhale it for 4 seconds and exhale it for 8 seconds. Now I will demonstrate you by doing 2 rounds of this 1:2 proportion. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, there is another one app which you can use for this counting purpose while doing this deep breathing process. So this is all about deep breathing process. So if you find this video useful, informative, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe to this channel and share this video with your friends, with your relatives, with your colleagues. I will see you in the next video.